There's a rising new trend in 2025. I just got to share this with you. More and more women over the age 40 are finally taking solo traveling, and I'm here for it. Just having come back myself, I feel inspired to share 5 must-known travel tips so you too can hop on this trend with confidence. First is know that you're not alone. More and more women over age 40 are deciding that it's not just for 20-year-olds. It's about discovery and freedom and proving that there is no age limit to adventure. The safety, I get it. Here's what worked for me. Be aware of your surroundings and trust your intuition. Confidence is the key. Tip number 3, set up a budget. Know what you're going to spend per day, like taxis, hotels, restaurants, excursions, so that you're not caught off guard. And you know you have the cash on you, or you know where an ATM is, or that you can use your debit card in that situation. Take a lot of stress and more enjoyment so you can live spontaneously in the moment. Don't overpack. Plan for 1 carry-on luggage. Make sure you pick clothes that are same color palette so that you can interchange and look like you're wearing different outfits every different day. Make sure that when you're traveling it's light so that when you get to your destination you're not carrying all this luggage. Also, if you're like me and can't afford like a direct flight and you have all these layovers, you're not having to pay for checked luggage or waiting for it and making sure that you get to the next port so you can leave to get to your final destination. Tip number 5, say yes to the unexpected, but trust your gut to stay safe. What I wanted to do is I wanted to meet a local and have the wonderful experience, so I bought an extra concert ticket, and I was lucky enough to meet a wonderful artist, and we went to the concert together, and it was amazing. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button. Where would you like to travel next? Have you gone solo traveling? I would love to know. Put it in the comments below. And if you would like to go solo traveling but not sure of what destination to go to, I made another video of the top 5 destinations for women solo traveling. Check that out over here. I'll see you then.